most easy way to create trendy videos in no time. The Seedance 2. You can try free as for now. Hey guys, I'm Hamza from Android Ultra. Hope you're doing great and fantastic. Don't you dare skip the video. New to channel, subscribe for more. This is the interface on Tinker by Spotify. Basically, this is totally free and confirmed from their official website. And there is various tools present for the image generation, video generation, as well for text, Seedance, Google Veo, as well as scaling. Measure all the big image generation and video generation tools available here. I'm gonna try the video Seedance 2. I'm gonna try with the photo, upload reference photo and video, or you can simply type the prompt. I'm gonna go with the prompt plus the image, the parameters. I'm gonna select the 6 seconds, 16:9 aspect ratio. Meantime, you can play the game while your video is in generation process. It will take a few minutes, only 1 to 3 minutes maximum. Once it's done, you can get notification or you can go to your artifacts. And overall video looks great. Keep in mind, this is totally free. Even the Seedance is not offering something like that. So this is unbelievable. You can try image tool multiple times per week, but there is limit for the video. At the Seedance and Google Veo, the limit is the same. And don't forget to let me know in the comments what do you think about it. Subscribe for more videos just like this one. See you soon with the new video.